We love our potato salads here in Germany. The method of preparation and the ingredients vary from region to region and family to family. In southern Germany, we use stock, oil and vinegar to prepare the dressing. And this is the variation that we will be discussing today. To make this delicious salad, cook the jacket potatoes for 15 to 20 minutes, that depending on the size. Ensure that they are tender but not too soft, so they will actually keep their shape when slicing. Drain the cooked potatoes and let them cool down for 15 minutes. To prepare the dressing, you need to heat the broth in a small pot. When it starts to boil, turn the heat off and add the onions, white wine vinegar, sugar, mustard, salt and pepper. Peel the skin off and slice them into half centimeter wide slices, although some say the thinner the better. Pour the dressing over the potatoes and let it rest in the fridge for at least 1 hour. Before serving, add the oil and mix the salad well. Also, don't forget to correct the seasoning. You can even add nutmeg if you like. If you are making potato salad one day ahead, I would prepare more dressing, as the potatoes will soak up most of it.